Can I watch my own YouTube video to get 4,000 watch hours? No. Watching your own YouTube videos to increase your watch time is not a good idea. 1. YouTube has algorithms in place to detect and prevent artificial inflation of watch time. It is important to note that watch time should come from genuine viewers who are interested in your content. To reach the 4,000 watch hours required for monetization on YouTube, you need to focus on creating engaging and valuable content that attracts and retains viewers. Here are some strategies to increase your watch time. Create compelling content. Produce high-quality videos that are informative, entertaining, and relevant to your target audience. This will encourage viewers to watch your videos for longer periods of time. Optimize video length. Find the right balance between video length and content. Analyze your audience's preferences and create videos that are neither too short nor too long. Experiment with different video lengths to see what works best for your channel. Improve audience retention. Pay attention to your audience retention metrics in YouTube analytics. Identify the points in your videos where viewers tend to drop off, and make adjustments to keep them engaged throughout the entire video. Use engaging thumbnails and titles. Create eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles that grab viewers' attention and entice them to click on your videos. This can help increase your click-through rate and ultimately your watch time. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media. Embed them on your website or blog, and engage with your audience to increase visibility and attract more viewers. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborating with other YouTubers in your niche can help expose your channel to a wider audience and potentially increase your watch time. Encourage viewers to watch more videos. Use end screens and cards to promote your other videos at the end of each video. This can help increase watch time by encouraging viewers to continue watching your content. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and consistent effort. Focus on creating valuable content and engaging with your audience, and the watch time will naturally increase over time.